Guys, what is going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy. Dude, oh my gosh. We got Tesla and Meta today, and then took a little L on SPY. But overall, 2 out of 3 is not bad for this market. Tesla went to full TP. That was insane. See, what I did is took Tesla from 439.5 retest to 443.42. And that's where I took profits. Now, I mean, I could have held. I could have just risked these profits right here to continue and go. Or I could have also just simply re entered when it broke above here. Um, but it's all right. It's nice to see it go. It happened slow, but it was cool to see. And then Meta. Oh, yeah, let me show you guys as well, too, because. And I'll show you my lotto that I'm in. So, yeah, in Hood. Oh, wait, that's yesterday. There we go. Loading Tesla calls, hit TP, I'm out. $4 move is fire. Loading SPY calls and bearish divergence in SPADO. And then enter Meta calls, out of Meta for small gain. So Meta was just a simple, was that in the 2 minute? Oh, yeah. Was that in the 2 minute for Meta? I took above the 647. So right here. So I took the 647 retest right here, and then grabbed that to the 651, and that's when I sold. So it was a great gain, but I held on to uh, more contracts than I should have, especially with this market. But it ended up working out. It just reclaimed and closed right here, so I sold the rest of my position. If this didn't close like that, I probably would have waited. But then again, looking back at it, I really had like this was pre-drawn level, so I really had like right here to use as a stop loss. And I should have just let it do its thing. Could have definitely capitalized a little bit better on that meta trade for sure because it did exactly what we wanted it to. It broke this 647 level, and as soon as it did that, I knew we wanted to take out that 654. But the question was if we were gonna, and I think having my levels there just messed me up, right? Because this was the high of the day. That's why I sold right here because we reclaimed the underneath the high of the day, that 650. Excuse me. So that along with bearish divergence, I'm happy with how I played it. And then same thing, I could have re-entered the second this candle closed, but on the 2 minute it looked a little bit cleaner. Could have re-entered. I would probably have re-entered about here. If with that flag, this was really just a flag that formed the whole time. So right there. And yeah, now we're just in a Netflix lotto. So this is a true lotto of just seeing if we could hit. They're like 3 cents puts, so I like to do my lottos, right? 3 cents to 40 cents. So you could, load up on them with only risking 40, $50 and potentially making 500. So that's what I like to do. And we'll see if it gets to 87.41. Highly unlikely, by the way. Just throwing that out there. Highly unlikely because, I mean, it looks good. By all means, it looks good. But we need volume. We're bullish divergence on the RSI. So I would be very surprised. But that's why it's called a lotto, right? So if we went to 87.40, looking at an extra $600 off of $40. So that's the type of lotto that I'm willing to risk $40 if you telling me I could potentially make 600 right now. You feel me? So we got one in there with me, and let's see what happens. I want that thing to hit 87.41, and we'll bank. We will bank. It's probably gonna take all day, so I'm just leaving it be. I'm not even watching it really anymore. Just stop loss. SPY, nice bounce. SPY's been bullish all day. Let's go over my SPY loss now. We went over the wins. Let's go over the losses. So SPY loss today. This week was pretty rough, right? I saw a Head and Shoulders form earlier, but I think I took a loss somewhere in here. This day was fine, but it's really just Wednesday, Thursday, and today that I took losses on SPY, which whatever, I'm not too mad about. But what I could have done differently, I had a level wrong, and that's what messed me up. I usually want to put a level there. I would usually only just put my level right here, right? And then if we broke that, we would go to these highs. But for some reason, I don't know if I moved it when I was like moving my screen or something. But I had a level at 692 that I didn't have before. So, but it was also pre-market highs, so it was a little weird for me today. But I had that level, so I was like, all right. I mean, we broke below it, so with an inverse for value gap, so we should just go to the downside. But then the whole time,
Battery low.
oh, battery low. Thanks. But then the whole time, anyways, it was just a nice break and retest, and then continue and go. That's a little flag right there. And yeah, it's losing momentum now. So yeah, with SPY, I could have definitely just waited, saw this right there, this little sweep and reclaim of London's lows, right on the 2 minute. Boom, just nice bounce, inverse, take it to the upside. Even just waiting for a higher high to be made, coming back, seeing this, and then boom, 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 confirmation to get in to take it to that 693. So could have played that better. And that's what you guys need to keep in mind is that your levels can't be off. Like if your levels are off, your trading will be off because it messes with your psychology. But that's really about it for the day. Just letting this run. And hopefully next week we have some big volatility because, all the stuff going on. We got earnings, news, Trump's doing what Trump does about tariffs. We're going to find out if Trump can or can't do something with tariffs. I don't know. Whatever the news was about Trump. So we'll see. Wait for the key levels. All-time highs again is not really the most fun trading. You can tell it's just chop. I mean, these are weeks. These are weekly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, which is about right. 2, 9, 10. Like about since November. We haven't really had the cleanest market. There has been trades to take to take advantage of, but sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. Time to reset, refocus, and wait for them clean trades. But all right, guys, your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. We do this every single day, no matter what. I share my wins, I share my losses. It's part of the process. Let's go.